just can't help myself. So this is what's necessary. This was a hatchback car. Cut it pretty short, just below this piece. This is T-top specific bracket, which will need to be reused. And then this unit needs to be extracted. They put 50,000 rivets in the damn thing to hold air everywhere. We are not using any of them. We're gonna weld it all back in, plug weld it. So extraction is pretty simple. Anybody that knows how to use a drill. Once it comes off, then that's it. Then you got the empty hole, which would be perfect for a plug weld when we're ready to put it back together after it's lined up. I might throw a couple of rivets just to square it up perfectly, and then take the welder and start tacking it around. So yeah, got to drill all these things out. Once we extract the unit from the actual existing piece, then I'm going to clean this up, cut all of the extra bracing out of it so that I can use it as a good template to lay it on the top of my coupe. And then I can draw it out based off of where they made the original cuts from Cars and Concepts back in the 80s. So here we go. Time to get it separated.